Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we're back to our latest analysis for this Wednesday to Friday, April 20 to 22, 2022. And this is brought to you by Typhoon2000. So let's begin with our update. Here's the latest graph set for today, Wednesday until tomorrow, Friday. We have a dual weather system affecting the Philippine Islands. First is the wind system known as the Easterlies, and it's bringing some cloudy conditions across Luzon, including Metro Manila, and but also the Batanes and Babuyan Cubao Islands. And this wind system will bring hot weather across the areas, and some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms, cloudy conditions, particularly in the afternoon or evening. And we have here embedded within the easterly surface wind flow is the surface trough, and it's now affecting Mindanao, eastern and central Visayas, as well as the Bicol region. Sunny skies, but in the afternoon or evening there will be some cloudy conditions with rain showers and thunderstorms. Outside of PAR, we don't have any developing low pressure areas or tropical cyclone within the next 5 days. We have only here the becoming active, known as the intertropical convergence zone, and it's now extending all across the western Micronesia up to the south of Palau. So along this line are thunderstorms that will bring some heavy downpour across these Micronesian islands. So far, that's the latest from our graph set. If we take a look at that fast animation, it's all clear across the western Philippines. Just the usual thunderstorms brought about by the easterlies and the surface trough. And we take a look at the wind.com zoom in satellite animation, and this is the satellite beginning at 2 o'clock in the afternoon until 7 p.m. As you can see, some isolated thunderstorms can be observed here across the mountainous areas of northern Luzon, also here along the Ilocos region, like Pangasinan, and also over eastern Visayas and portions of Mindanao because of the surface trough. Bicol region will have some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms as well, but these are lower chances as of this time. And if we take a look at the rain forecast for the next 3 days until Saturday, brought to you by the European model. So by tomorrow afternoon, 3 p.m., isolated to scattered rain showers and thunderstorms can be observed across various sections of Luzon, and also across the Visayas, becoming more frequent along Mindanao, particularly over Davao region, Sorsogon, Bukidnon, Lanao provinces, and the southern areas of Zamboanga Peninsula, Zamboanga Sibugay. So these areas will have more thunderstorms in the afternoon by tomorrow, and on Friday afternoon we expect more thunderstorms to prevail in various sections of Luzon down to Metro Manila, and clear conditions across the Bicol region. Another chances and some chances of thunderstorms over Palawan, Visayas, becoming more frequent once again across Mindanao. And Saturday afternoon, same conditions, increasing thunderstorm activity across Mindanao with lesser chances across Visayas, Mimaropa, and the Bicol region, including southern Tagalog provinces and Metro Manila, while dry conditions will be expected in various sections of northern and central Luzon, except for areas of Ilocos region, like La Union and Ilocos provinces, where there will be some chances of isolated rain showers and thunderstorms. And if we take a look at the rainfall accumulation forecast for the next 3 days until Thursday, most of the rain will be expected across portions of Luzon and over Mindanao. So these are the rainfall accumulation. Now to the east of Mindanao, you can see here a line of red colored graphics. This is a heavy rainfall brought about by the active intertropical convergence zone to the east of Mindanao, all throughout the southern portions of Micronesia. And for the wind forecast, it will remain easterlies for the next 3 days until Saturday, and some development of the intertropical convergence zone can be observed here to the south of Palau, and the southern Philippine Sea up to the southern sections of central and eastern Micronesia. And that's it. That's the wind forecast for the next 3 days. Nothing to worry. And if we take a look at the latest global topics hazards and benefits outlook from the Climate Prediction Center of NOAA, since it's already Wednesday, here comes another new outlook. This is for the next 2 weeks. So beginning valid April 20 to April 26 for week 1, we expect above average rainfall across the eastern sections of the Bicol region, eastern Visayas, and eastern Mindanao because of the prevailing easterly surface wind flow. And this is around high confidence. And on the second week, valid April 27 to May 3, we have a high confidence of above average rainfall across the whole of the Philippine Islands and a possible formation of a tropical cyclone to the east of the Philippine Islands based on the forecast of the American model. But as of this time, the confidence level is at moderate levels, meaning it's only at 50-50 chances that it will develop since the European model doesn't show anything during the week of April 27 to May 3. So we will keep you updated for next Wednesday if this dashed red and white lines of moderate confidence of a tropical cyclone development will push through, but let's hope not. And so far, that's the latest for this Wednesday. And we will return on Friday to give you more update on the weather for the coming weekend from Typhoon 2000. This is Mike Padua reporting. Don't forget to click the notification bell and subscribe to our channel to let you be updated on the upcoming tropical cyclones and tropical weather systems across the Philippine Islands and nearby areas of the Western Pacific Ocean. Again, see you again on Friday. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless to all.